the show was fantastic. It's amazing. I mean, these events keep getting a higher and higher bar being set.
Hearing from current business owners and what works for them and what day-to-day operations are like and what to focus on.
How do we capitalize on what we already have? How do we grow? How do we expand best practices in 5 locations that fit their profile?
Well, you get to meet with real owners and see real problems, real success stories, real work.
People are eager to get information. They want to understand how the market is changing. They want to understand what the trends are, and they certainly want to understand what we are bringing to the market, not only now with high spin machines, but also in terms of technology, applications, data analytics.
Come see us RSVP on the link above.